Okay, another question, and hopefully again you've worked through the worksheet. These are ratings of a movie. So maybe I ought to label that if I can get to my chalk here. Movie ratings. This is one group of 6 people. This is another group of 6 people. Okay, well, here are the ratings, and it's easy to verify, or if this happens to be wrong, it's easy to find that too. The mean is 7.5, the median is 8.5. Here, the mean is 8.17, the median is 8. So, which movie is rated higher? Depends on whether you use the mean or the median. The mean here is 7.5, the mean here is 8.17, so the second group has the higher mean. On the other hand, the first group has the higher median. Now, which are you going to use? Which do you think is more appropriate? It depends a lot on what you think about this 1 here. Because if this 1 is eliminated from consideration, this group has the higher mean. If you throw out the lowest one in this group, it doesn't affect the mean very much because the 7 is pretty close to the original mean of 8.17. Another way of looking at it is, how is it that one person out of 12 gives the movie a rating of 1 when the lowest rating given by anybody else is 7? I think maybe you have somebody that's having a bad day. Maybe their bonbons were, somehow melted or something, and they were disgusted. So there might be something here that caused somebody to give a 1, but the bottom line is, if everybody else is rating the movie 7, 8, 9, or 10, you really are going to be fairly likely to discount that 1. Now, to be fair, you've got a 10 here, and maybe you've got somebody here who just overestimates everything. Maybe this person is as crazy as this person. So it makes sense to go ahead and eliminate these 2, which is exactly what happens when you do the median, because if you eliminate the highest and the lowest, then the next highest and next lowest, you're left with the 8 and 9 in between. So you've eliminated everything but what's really in the middle as far as the order of the numbers would be concerned. So this guy really lowers the mean of this group, which would otherwise be higher than the mean of this group. Again, to be fair, you throw out the 10 here, and that is, again, what goes on with the median. So if it was me, I would probably, without any further information, go with the median. Now, if I know that there's somebody in this group who has the same taste in movies that I do and really comes down hard on a movie that he or she doesn't like, and if I kind of think that 1 was by that person, then maybe I'm going to, for my own purposes, go with that judgment. But again, with no further information, I would tend to discount the 1, throw out the 10, to be fair. Okay, so that gives you some insight into how we might use the mean or the median and make decisions about which one to believe in a given situation.